Hello, this is Creative News. Hello again, viewers. I am Maria Antonia Urrea, your host. Do you know rainbow cookies is my favorite recipe? If you want to prepare it, you will need some milk, some sugar, some butter, a little vanilla essence, and some regional color. You know, sugar is uncountable, and eggs are countables. Looks very colorful and tastes delicious.
Bienvenidos a mi famosísimo programa, Noti Cocineritos. My name is Luciana Garcia. It is strawberry dessert. There are some ingredients. There are strawberries. There is chocolate. There is sweet sprinkles. Strawberries are countable. Chocolate is uncountable. Sweet sprinkles is uncountable. Welcome to Naughty Cocineritos. Sorry, it's so loud. Today, Jan have a special friend. Hello, Palacio. Hello, everybody. My name is Luciana. Thank you for being here today. We are going to cook a special sandwich. It sounds delicious, but please share with us the ingredients. Okay, Pancracio. The ingredients are bread, filled soap, a loaf of bread is countable. Oh, countable, because the loaf of bread could be 1 or 2 or 3 or 100. There is a loaf of yam and is countable. Cheese. The cheese tastes salty. There are a loaf of cheese and is countable. Ew, I don't like the cheese. It tastes so salty. Tomatoes. There are a bag of tomatoes. We only need one of these and is countable. The tomatoes are so good for our body. Butter. There is butter. And it's uncountable. Oh, it's so easy. And I want to know another thing. Tell us, Luciana. Hello, teachers. This is my project. My name is Gabriela Marchanlugo. I am 8 years. This is my favorite race. My race fruit salad. The ingredients are there is some sweet. There is some yogurt. and cherries. There is a little cheese. There are fields of bananas. Some pieces of pineapple. And there are some of papaya. Pieces of papaya. The ice cream is countable and the cherries is countable. The cheese is the uncountable and the apple is countable. The recipe tastes delicious and looks fabulous.
Good morning. My name is Gabriel Keito Sanchez. Welcome to my kitchen. I am 8 years old. This is my favorite recipe. My recipe is bananas blow up. There are some ingredients in my recipe. There is a little chocolate. There is some ice cream. Those are uncountable. There are 2 pancakes. There are 1 banana. There are 5 strawberries. Those are countable. It was delicious.
My name is Juan Miguel Bernal Gomez. I am 8 years old. This is my favorite recipe. There are many ingredients in my recipe. There is some flour. There is some flour. There is some butter. There is some sugar. There are some eggs. There is some baking powder royal. There is some vanilla essence. There is some chocolate chips. My recipe smells and tastes delicious. My recipe smells and tastes delicious. It's sweet. In my recipe, the eggs are ingredients countable. And flour and sugar are uncountable. Thanks.
My name is Emmanuel. Tulanga Zuleta. I am 7 years old. This is my favorite recipe, burgers. There are many ingredients. In my recipe, there is onion. There is tomato. There is bread. There is meat. There is bacon. There are cheese slices. There is lettuce. There are sauces. There is oil. Ingredients countable. There slices of cheese. Ingredients uncountable. The meat is uncountable. Make the soup taste delicious.
Hello, my name is Luciana Barreneche. I am 8 years old and this is my favorite recipe. My recipe is chocolate brownie. There are some ingredients. There are a few tablespoons of sugar. There are a few tablespoons of chocolate. There are a few tablespoons of flour and an egg. There is some milk and there is some oil. The tablespoons of sugar is countable and the milk is uncountable. My chocolate brownie is delicious. Thank you for your attention.